Welcome to my channel Code with Sunita. Today I want to start and code Java. Okay. First of all, what I'm today starting means code Java. Okay. First of all, we want to know about how many modules are there in Java. Okay. And in Python also so many modules are there. In Java, how many modules are there? There are 3 modules. Modules in Java. Okay. How many modules are there? There are 3 modules. There are 3 modules are there in Java. Okay. What is the first module? We have to divide this into 3 parts. First one, the JSE module. JSE module. JSE module means Java Standard Edition. Okay. Java Standard Edition. Second module, JEE module means Java Enterprise Edition. What is that? Java Enterprise Edition. Third module is Java Micro Edition. What is that? Java Micro Edition. In JME also we are called Java Mobile Edition. Okay. I have to explain and all those things. Don't worry about this. Okay. Basically nowadays we are not using JME module on Java Micro Edition. JME used for developing the app application, mobile app application. That's what we are using a JME module. But nowadays we are not using JME module for mobile applications. Okay, what you are using for mobile application? We are using Android React Native or Flutter. Okay, we are using for developing mobile application. What we are using? Flutter, Android, React Native and etc. Okay. First of all, I want to teach you in modules. Okay, first module is the what is that? Java Standard Edition, right? First module, JSE. JSE means Java Standard Edition. For using Java Standard Edition, what kind of application we are built now? Okay, what kind of application we are built? Like using JSE module we are built standalone applications and desktop applications and two-tier applications. Okay, two-tier application. First of all, I want to teach what is the standalone application, desktop application, and two-tier application. Okay, now we are discussing about standalone application. Okay, first of all, what is the standalone application? We want to know about these standalone applications. Standalone applications means a normal Java program. Okay, it's the normal Java program which contains main method. It's contain main method. It's called standalone application. Standalone application. Example, I have to write here in small code. Okay, example, what is that? First of all, I want to write class has a test. Okay, and open bracket, for then public static void main string args. Okay, it's a what is line called? It's the main method. Okay, and open bracket, after then we have to write here some logics or methods or implemented. Okay, now we are close curly brackets here. Okay, are you understand what is standalone application? Is standalone application nothing but it's a normal Java program. Okay, which contains in standalone application only contains the main method. It's the main method. Okay, public static void main string works, what is called main method. Okay, I hope you are understand well. Now I have to going about desktop application. What is that? Desktop applications. Okay, desktop application. What is mean by desktop application? It is a what is that? It is a software. It is a software application. It is a software application which is specially designed to perform particular task. Okay, particular task, it's called desktop application, right? Example, I have to write here example. It's recycle bin, right? Everyone knows about an recycle bin. Okay, we are everyone see in desktop what kind of that in recycle bin automatically comes from the desktop only, right? We can't to delete and desktop, we can't delete and recycle bin. Another one, control panel. Okay, it's also desktop application. And VLC media player, what is that? VLC media player and etc. Okay, first, why here in control panel we are using for uninstall the applications also. You know what we are doing for uninstall. Okay, for uninstall the applications by using control panel. Okay, yeah, maybe if I feel you understand well. Okay. How to we are what is that, uninstall the application by using control panel. I have to explain in process. Okay, in steps here we can call in steps or process, what you are comfortable you can. Okay, process. First of all, what we are doing, go to where, go to control panel. You can search on a desktop, okay, in laptop, control panel. After then click the programs. After the uninstall. Some people don't know how to uninstall the applications, right, in the desktop. We are using control panel. We can uninstall the applications or program. Okay, if doing well, you can understand very well. Thank you. Next we have to move on to tier. What is that? Two tier applications, right? We are using JSE module, Java Standard Edition module. What kind of application we are build? We are discussing it earlier, right? So it's the two tier application. It's a third application. Okay. What is that? What is mean by two tier application? First of all, having more than one application. Having more than one application is now as two tier application. Okay, two tier application. Next we move into I can give the one example about and two tier application. Example, here is two machines are there. Okay, it's a machine 1 and machine 2. Okay, it's what is that, the machine 1, right? In machine 1 we have Java application. Okay, it's a Java application. Inside Java application, what are the JDBC? You know, JDBC is a database, right? JDBC. It's what is that here? How do we are connect and machine to machine? By using a network. Okay. And here machine 2, right? In machine 2, what are the database? We have to connect with database, right? So we have to connect. It's the you can imagine it's a database. We have to connect with through network. Okay, through the network. It's interact with the mediator. Here is network is the mediator between JDBC and DB, database, and Java database.